Hello friends, this is Shipra Agarwal from Just Tutors. So today we are going to learn more about the number walk. In this session we are going to learn about the numbers that come before and the numbers that come after with a given number. Then we will be using the symbol to show the smaller number and the bigger number. Then we're going to learn about more with the smaller numbers and bigger numbers. And then at the end, we'll be learning with the ascending and descending order. So let's get started. So here we have some pre-assessment questions. So you can try these questions by pausing the video. And there you go with the answers for pre-assessment questions. I hope you have tried all of these questions here. So let's move ahead with the lesson. So the number walk. The number before and the number after means that, let's say we are being asked with a number or we are given with a number 305. So if we ask that what number comes next after that, it's going to be 306. And if we've been asked with what number comes before than that, so it's going to be 304. Similarly, we have some questions and exercises here. Like first question asks for writing the next number, or like what number comes next after these given numbers. So you can write out these numbers using this chart. And then we have the second question asking for the number before. Similarly, you can try all these questions. Let's move ahead. Now, using the symbol to show smaller and the bigger number. So we use these two symbols, greater than or lesser than symbols, to show smaller and bigger numbers. So these symbols are also known as crocodile symbol. So if you take 12 and 21 to find out which number is bigger, so we know that 21 is a bigger than 12. So the mouth of the crocodile here will be opening towards 21, as you can see this one. So let's imagine this is a mouth of a crocodile and the number bigger is going to be towards the opening mouth. So 21 has an open mouth. So open mouth of crocodile always symbolize towards the bigger number. So here we have some practice question related to the bigger number and the smaller number, and you can use these symbols. So here 23 is going to be the bigger number, so you can put a sign there. Like that. Again with the 21, it's going to be the bigger number. Then we have 632 as a bigger one, and then the last one we have the 875 as a bigger number. Now moving ahead, we're going to compare the smaller and the bigger number. Or we're going to find out which one is the bigger and which one is the smallest number. So let's say we have these two numbers, that is 689 and 896. So we have a place value chart here. So you can write these values in this place value chart. And then you can compare using their starting from the hundreds place value. So you're going to see that the 896 is going to be the bigger number, as the 8 in the hundreds place value is bigger than the 6 with the first number. Similarly, you can try with this all questions here. So you can pause the video and try all the questions here. So here with the first one, it's going to be 632 as a bigger one. Then we have the 328. With the next one, it's going to be 921 as a bigger number. Now here, as you can see, 598 and 589, first we compare the hundreds place value and then we compare the tens place value. So 9 is bigger than 8, so it's going to be 598 as a bigger number. After that, we compare similarly with 801 and 810, so that's going to be 810 as a bigger number. And with the last one we have 150. So that's how we compare the numbers and find out the bigger number. Now, arranging the ascending and the descending order. So ascending order is going always from the smallest to the biggest. So let's say you have two numbers, 3, 5 and 7. So 3, 5 and 7 would be written as 3 as the smallest one and 7 is the biggest one. So they're going to written as 3, 5 and 7. And here we have some example for you. So these are the 5 numbers given to us. See here, the smallest number is going to be 313 and the biggest number is going to be 377. Now with the descending order, it's opposite to the ascending order. It's going from biggest to the smallest. So here the biggest number is going to be 523 and the smallest will be 426. So here we have a practice question for you, so you can pause the video and try these all questions here. And there we have the answers for the practice questions. So first one has been solved for you. For the ascending order it's going to be smallest to biggest, and for the descending it's going to be biggest from smallest. So you can try similarly all other questions. Now we have the questions based on number work with the number before and number after. So you can pause the video and try these all questions. And there you go with the answers for all these questions here. So you can check your answers. Now next we have the questions based on comparing the numbers. So again you can pause the video and try these questions. And there you go with the answers for them. I hope you have done an amazing job in trying all of these questions and working with the number work. So that's all for this video. For more videos, just visit justtutors.com. Thank you.